Hey everyone, so we have some very bullish news today. Be sure to drop a like. Thank you so much for sticking by during this hard times that crypto is going up, down, and sideways, because we have a first fun fact for Shiba Inu. Did you know Shiba Inus were nearly extinct during World War II? They're now worshipped by the Japanese. Long live SHIB army. The Shiba Inu nearly went extinct during World War II, and those in existence today were bred from just 3 surviving bloodlines. Japan now considers these dogs a national treasure. This is looking very, very bullish so far, but what's looking more bullish is the news I'm about to read you. Holders of the popular meme crypto Dogecoin consider these dogs a treasure as well. And same goes for Shiba Inu holders, really. But that's really a good fun fact. But more fun facts. Coinbase Pro listing it on June 16th, but still yet no confirmation. We're experiencing technical issues that will temporarily delay the launch of SHIB on Coinbase Pro, and the demand for Coinbase and Shiba Inu has been huge so far, but they pulled it off. I'm guessing they really do need time to set up those wallets. They basically disabled deposit of SHIB. Withdrawals are still available. We'll be providing an updated timeline for storing deposits or enabling trading as soon as possible. So I'm guessing they're going to be following up on this pretty much soon. But make this happen, Coinbase Pro. SHIB, please fix. So if there's enough demand, there will be at least some supply or some updates from Coinbase Pro, because we've been waiting for some time. But there's some really exciting news, and the SHIB ecosystem dominated the top 5 most trending coins in USA last week. And this is, for every single coin. So this is not only for Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is dominating already. But we also have the most trending coin, Doge Killer, basically Leash, dominating even Shiba Inu, dominating SafeMoon, dominating Bitcoin, dominating Ethereum, dominating Baby Dogecoin. You probably know a lot of these coins. And being Leash the first, that's some really great news, to be honest, because Leash is very undervalued from what I'm seeing. It's based on traffic, change in traffic, and search volume, and I think there's going to be much more for this from what I'm seeing. But again, some very trendy news right now. Bitcoin fractal setup from 2019 hits Bitcoin price can rebound back to 50k. If we get back to 50k, I think we can see at least 20 to 50% increase easily for Shiba Inu, if not more. But the ongoing Bitcoin downside correction is strikingly similar to its price action in June, December 2019. So same things are happening basically from what we're seeing so far. And in 2019, in detail, Bitcoin topped out around 14,000 on June 26, 2019, before turning lower for the remainder of the year on profit-taking sentiment, as well as FUD sparked by the Bitcoin Cash hard fork, Facebook standoff with the regulators over its crypto project Libra, and then US President Donald Trump and Treasury Secretary Stephen Mnuchin's threatening tone on Bitcoin. So we saw all of that, I think on 2019, June 26. So really a year or 2 years ago. And it's really exciting to see that Bitcoin is doing just the same patterns over and over again. And that's why the price is dropping. The Bitcoin is not going anywhere. But the flagship cryptocurrency flashed to a near 6,500. So people would be panicking right now for Bitcoin if Bitcoin was 6,500 today in December 2019. In doing so, it prompted its 50-day simple moving average to flip below its 200-day SMA. And what we can see here is basically charts. And these charts are from big analysts, and I'm guessing willful buy actions near the 50-week SMA led to a strong upside rebound. And we have a technical analysis here, which you can obviously pause. We're here for the main key points, which are Bitcoin fell down massively. So it went up and it went down, right? Yeah, 2019 Fractal also illustrated at least 2 bullish divergence scenarios where the Bitcoin price formed lower lows when its daily relative strength indicator. Now, in 2021, we're seeing the same scenario. So look at this chart right now, and this is looking very good. If we see this chart, it's going a bit up and it is going down. It's basically like a little curve, but you can see here it's following the same exact thing right now, but it's going, down, and then slowly we're going to be seeing an increase. So people are predicting that we're going to be seeing another downtrend, and then in the future we're going to be seeing an increase. So 2021 Bitcoin reconstructed the 2019 scenario halfway. At first, cryptocurrency's correction from its record high of nearly 65,000, which I still think we can actually beat that. I still think Shiba Inu has much more potential. Even if people bought in May, I think right now the market cap we're seeing so far is nothing yet. Like 1.5 trillion, I think we could be seeing 10 trillion in the future easily. Right now, 1.5, you know, it used to be 700 billion and it nearly doubled in the past years. And it's just super exciting to see how early Bitcoin still is. But Bitcoin's price action in the past week also hinted at a bullish divergence scenario, as shown in the chart below. Trading Shot, a market analytics platform, noted that the bullish divergence formulation, coupled with a rebound from the 50-week SMA support, could again set Bitcoin prices to the 61.8 fib level. So this is some smart talk, but what I'm really excited for is basically the key points. It's a bullish divergence, and it was seen October and late November, early December 2019. So we could be seeing some bullish patterns coming real soon. And for everyone asking, why is my SHIB or SHIB coins not on the moon yet? You gotta stay patient. These things, they take time, and as we're seeing, this is a technical analysis, but have all the negative fundamentals priced in already? We can't know for sure, but if they have, the bullish divergence on the 1D RSI definitely shows something. And for anyone who doesn't day trade, I think this basically tells you that we're seeing, you know, Bitcoin going around 30 and 40K, but one expects that the longer we go without a 40,000 handle, eventually support is going to crumble and give away to sharp move towards 20,000. So people are saying we're going to be seeing prices of Bitcoin go to 20,000, and I'm ready, but noting it leaves Bitcoin at crossroad in the third quarter, and we could be seeing a massive drop for Bitcoin so far. But that's crazy, and everyone is expecting that. Basically, all the analysts are saying that. But we do have some more bullish news. Without going into further ado, I've been already saying a lot that this is, you know, the temporary growth is what we need for Bitcoin. But if it drops to back to 20,000, if it drops so low, that's a great chance to buy, because I don't think crypto is ever going away so far when it's picked up by institutions. Vietnam Prime Minister asks central bank to study crypto, pursue pilot implementation. So this is just news, and I see this as pretty big news, because if Vietnam gives Bitcoin a chance, that would be huge. I mean, what other crypto would get a chance in Vietnam? And I'm pretty excited for this. Cashless payments are increasing in Vietnam, and the recognition of digital currencies by the central bank would help accelerate the process, an official said. And we can see Prime Minister signed the decision approving the country's e-government development strategy, which involves assessing artificial intelligence, big data, augmented reality, virtual reality, and blockchain technology. The cryptocurrency pilot program is expected to help the government discover the pros and cons while developing an appropriate management mechanism. And what this basically means is that Vietnam is going to have cashless payments as well, and this will bring a lot of new cryptocurrency users. Cashless payments are increasing in Vietnam, and the recognition of digital currencies by the central bank would help accelerate the process. And previously, the SBV has stressed that cryptocurrencies are not legally recognized in Vietnam yet. So a lot of these countries still can do their move and recognize cryptocurrencies, which is something super exciting. But SBV banned commercial banks and payment service providers from making transactions with crypto, arguing that such activities could increase the risk of money laundering, terrorism financing, and tax evasion. While this might be true nowadays, it can definitely be more regulated in 2021, and it could be avoided. So that's something very positive. Vietnam stepping in, you know, going for SHIB. If they allow SHIB in banks, again, people will be investing maybe $50, maybe $100, not only in Bitcoin, not only in Ethereum, but they'll be looking for some quick profit. And one of those is SHIB and Dogecoin. They grow up so much faster from their baby Dogecoins to the big ones than Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think Bitcoin can reach 100K at some point. It could be even by the end of the year, but we got to stay patient right now. I think SHIB has much more growth in front of it. But again, that's just my thoughts. Do let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for dropping a like, and see you next time. Peace, everyone.